You're watching Explore to Shine with Anu.
Before proceeding to the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done, and also hit the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload a new video. With no further delay, let's quickly dive into this video.
In this video, we are going to see the questions on Introduction to GDC. The topics covered in this video will be Computer Graphics and Hardware Requirements for DTP, the first two chapters in GDC course. So first session, we have multiple choice. The first question, DTP stands for dash. A. Desktop page. B. Desktop publishing. C. Desktop printer. D. Digital publishing. The right answer is desktop publishing. DTP stands for desktop publishing. The next question. The science of creating pictures in computer is termed as dash. A. Drawing. B. Image. C. Graphics. D. Figure. The right answer is graphics. The science of creating pictures in computer is termed as graphics. Bitmap graphics is also called as dash. A. Raster graphics. B. Object-oriented graphics. C. Vector graphics. D. Pixel graphics. The right answer is raster graphics. Bitmap graphics is also called as raster graphics. Pixel stands for dash. Pictorial elite. B. Picture electron. C. Pixelated element. D. Picture element. The right answer is picture element. Pixel stands for picture element. Dash is not a bitmap image editing application. A. Adobe Photoshop. B. MS Paint. C. Corel Draw. D. Corel Photo Paint. The right answer is Corel Draw. Corel Draw is not a bitmap image editing application. Next question. Dash is not a vector illustration application. A. Adobe Illustrator. B. AutoCAD. C. Corel Painter. D. Adobe Freehand. The right answer is Corel Painter is not a vector illustration application. So, Adobe Illustrator, AutoCAD and Adobe Freehand are vector illustration application, whereas Corel Painter is not a vector illustration application. The most common and accepted format for vector images on the web is dash. A. SVG. B. CDR. C. AI. D. CGM. The right answer is SVG, which stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. The most common and accepted format for vector images on the web is SVG. Dash refers to number of pixels per inch in an image. A. Contrast. B. Resolution. C. Brightness. D. Color. The right answer for this is resolution. Resolution refers to number of pixels per inch in an image. DPI stands for dash. Desktop publish image. B. Dash per inch. C. Dots per inch. D. Device per image. The right answer is dots per inch. The next question. Dash is a decision process that determines which color to be given for the newly created pixel. A. rasterizing, B. interpolation, C. color adjustment, D. color scheme. The right answer is interpolation. So interpolation is a decision process that determines which color to be given for the newly created pixel. Dash comes with printer to ensure the image sent to the printer is printed correctly. A. Page description language, B. Page description markup language, C. Hypertext markup language, D. None of these options. The right answer is page description language comes with the printer to ensure the image sent to the printer is printed correctly. The next question, fonts are measured in dash. A. Points, B. Centimeter, C. Picas, D. Millimeters. The right answer is points. Fonts are measured in points. The next question, dash is an imaginary line on which the letters are presumed to be standing. A. Bottom line, B. Edge line, C. Base line, D. Reference line. The right answer for this is baseline. So baseline is an imaginary line on which the letters are standing. Dash is not a serif font. So which among these is not a serif font? A. Times New Roman, B. Century School Book, C. Bookman Old Style, D. Arial. So the right answer is Arial. Arial is not a serif font. The act of decomposing a color photo to a single color layer is called dash. A. Color adjustment, B. Color value, C. Color separation, D. Color rendering. The right answer is color separation. The act of decomposing a color photo to a single color layer is called as color separation. Dash was originally known as XY position indicator. A. Mouse, B. Barcode reader, C. Trackball, D. MICR. The right answer is mouse. So initially mouse was known as XY position indicator. Dash is an alternative to a mouse used in laptop. A. Scanner, B. Trackball, C. Joystick, D. Plotter. The right answer is trackball. So trackball is alternative to mouse which is used in laptop. Dash is a device that transfers information from computer to paper. A. Printer, B. Monitor, C. Scanner, D. Hard disk. The right answer is printer. So printer is a device that transfers information from computer to paper. Dash is also called as magnetic disk. A. Floppy disk, B. Hard disk, C. Compact disk, D. Pen drive. The right answer is hard disk. Hard disk is also called as magnetic disk. Scanner is a dash device. A. Input device, B. Storage device, C. Output device, D. Network device. The right answer is input device. Scanner is a input device. Dash is a lossy compressed file format. A. GIF, B. PSD, C. PNG, D. JPEG. The right answer for this is JPEG. Next session, we have fill in the blanks. First question. The two types of graphics are dash and dash. Write out the answers. The two types of graphics are dash and dash. Dash graphics are made up of pixels and dash graphics are made up of lines and curves. Dash graphics are called as object-oriented graphics and dash graphics are called as raster graphics. The two types of graphics are bitmap graphics and vector graphics. Bitmap graphics are made up of pixels and vector graphics are made up of lines and curves. Vector graphics are called as object-oriented graphics and bitmap graphics are called as raster graphics. Next question. Dash graphics are resolution dependent and dash graphics are resolution independent. Meta files are graphics that contain both dash and dash data. Sketch is a dash graphics editor application and MS Paint is a dash graphics editor application. The answer for these questions: bitmap graphics are resolution dependent and vector graphics are resolution independent. Meta files are graphics that contain both bitmap and vector data. Sketch is a vector graphics editor application and MS Paint is a bitmap graphics editor application. The process of converting vector graphics to bitmap is called dash, and the reason of converting is to use on the dash. Resolution is the number of dash per inch and it is measured in dash. The two types of DTP software are dash-based DTP software and dash-based DTP software. The answer for these questions: the process of converting vector graphics to bitmap is called rasterizing, and the main reason of converting is to use on the web. Resolution is the number of pixels per inch and it is measured in DPI, dots per inch, or it is also measured in PPI, pixels per inch. The two types of DTP software are graphical based DTP software and layout based DTP software. Next one, the two types of graphical based DTP software are dash and dash. What are the two types of graphical based DTP software? Vector illustration and bitmap image editing application. The two most popular layout based DTP software are dash and dash. Fonts are classified into dash font and dash font. The answer for these questions: the two most popular layout based DTP software are Adobe InDesign and Quack Express. Fonts are classified into vector fonts and bitmap fonts. Vector fonts are made up of dash and dash. The quality of paper is determined by its color, dash and dash. Dash fonts are made up of lines and curves, and dash fonts are made up of dots. Vector fonts are made up of lines and curves. The quality of paper is determined by its color, weight and texture. Vector fonts are made up of lines and curves. Bitmap fonts are made up of dots. The two-column table of bitmap font file contains dash and dash. Page description language is written in dash, and the most popular page description language is dash. Dash is the height of the main body of letter when it is in lowercase, and dash is the height of the main body of letter when it is in uppercase. The answer for these questions: the two-column table of bitmap font file contains ASCII and the bitmap image itself. Page description language is written in page description markup language. And the most popular page description language is Adobe PostScript. X height is the height of the main body of letter when it is in lowercase, and cap height is the height of the main body of letter when it is in uppercase. Next question. Dash is a part of letter that extends above the X height, and dash is a part of letter that extends below the baseline. Dash fonts has short cross strokes at the top and bottom ends of the letter, and dash fonts does not have cross strokes at the top and bottom ends of the letter. Dash fonts are used in greeting cards and invitation, and dash fonts contain ready-made symbols. Answer is, ascender is a part of letter that extends above the X height, and descender is a part of letter that extends below the baseline. Serif fonts has short cross strokes at the top and bottom ends of the letter. Sans serif fonts does not have cross strokes at the top and bottom ends of the letter. Ornamental fonts are used in greeting cards and invitation. Dingbats fonts contain ready-made symbols. Next question. Dash is produced when light striking an object is reflected back to the eye. Dash refers to the ratio of gray mixed to the color. Dash are created by adding black to a color, and dash are created by adding white to a color. Dash is created when colors close to each other in the color wheel are used together, and dash is created when colors far apart on the color wheel are used together. The right answers are: color is produced when light striking an object is reflected back to the eye, and chroma refers to the ratio of gray mixed to the color. Shades are created by adding black to a color, and tints are created by adding white to a color. Harmony is created when colors close to each other in the color wheel are used together, and contrast is created when colors far apart of the color wheel are used together. Dash colors are also known as advancing colors, and dash colors are also known as receding colors. Red, dash and dash are primary colors. Mixture of two colors is called dash color, and mixture of three color is called dash color. Warm colors are also known as advancing colors, and cool colors are also known as receding colors. Red, blue and yellow are primary colors. Mixture of two colors is called secondary color, and mixture of three color is called as tertiary color. The color scheme used in monitor is dash, and the color scheme used in printers is dash. To display yellow color on screen, we simply add dash and dash. Dash color means no color, and dash color is the sum of all colors. The answer for these questions: the color scheme used in monitor is RGB, and the color scheme used in printers is CMYK. To display yellow color on screen, we simply add red and green. Black color means no color, and white color is sum of all colors. Moving on to next question. Dash is additive color scheme and dash is subtractive color scheme. The two types of color separation are dash color separation and dash color separation. Dash and dash are the most commonly used input device. The answer for these questions: RGB is additive color scheme and CMYK is subtractive color scheme. The two types of color separation are process color separation and spot color separation. Keyboard and mouse are the most commonly used input device. Dash is a process of creating a soft copy from hard copy, and dash is a process of creating hard copy from soft copy. The most commonly used output devices are dash and dash. The three types of monitor are CRT monitors, dash and dash. The answer for these questions: scanner is a process of creating a soft copy from hard copy. And printer is a process of creating hard copy from soft copy. The most commonly used output devices are monitor and printer. The three types of monitors are CRT monitors, LCD monitors and LED monitors. The two types of printers are dash and dash printers. The best known non-impact printers are dash and dash. The standard storage capacity of CD is dash and for DVD is dash. The two types of printers are impact printers and non-impact printers. The best known non-impact printers are inkjet printers and laser printers. The standard storage capacity of CD is 700 MB and for DVD is 4.7 GB. Dash scanner looks like photocopier and dash scanner looks like inkjet printers. Dash and dash file formats are lossless compression file format. Flatbed scanner looks like photocopier and sheet-fed scanner looks like inkjet printers. PNG and GIF file formats are lossless compression file format. So moving on to the next session, we have true or false. Here comes the first question. Vector graphics are resolution dependent. True or false? The answer is false. Vector graphics are resolution independent. So the answer is false. Bitmap graphics are made up of lines, curves and shapes. True or false? The answer is false. Bitmap graphics are made up of pixels, whereas vector graphics are made up of lines, curves and shapes. So the answer is false. Vector graphics needs less memory when compared to bitmap graphics. Is it true or false? Yes, the answer is true. Vector graphics needs less memory when compared to bitmap graphics. Vector graphics are unsuitable for producing photorealistic appearance. True or false? Yes, it is true. Vector graphics are not suitable for producing photorealistic appearance. The most common reason for converting vector to a bitmap would be for printing. The answer is true or false? The answer is false. The most common reason for converting vector to bitmap would be for web. All scanned images and images from camera are vector graphics. True or false? The answer is false. Scanned images and images from camera are bitmap graphics. So the answer is false. CRC is the first document in a book. True or false? The answer is false. CRC is the first copy of a book. Space found within some letters like O, D, Q is called bold. True or false? Yes, the answer is true. Comic Sans MS is an example of sans serif font. True or false? The answer is true. Yes, Comic Sans MS is an example of sans serif font. Red, orange and yellow are said to be cool colors. True or false? The answer is false. Red, orange and yellow are said to be warm colors. So the answer is false. LED monitors are heavy, bulky and power consuming. True or false? The answer is false. CRT monitors are heavy, bulky and power consuming, not LED monitors. So the answer is false. DVD is also called as USB flash drive. True or false? The answer is false. Pen drive is called as USB flash drive. Hence the answer is false. Moving on to the next section, we have questions with multiple answers. List the companies that develops TTP software. We have Adobe, Sheriff, Quack, Coral, and Microsoft. The companies that develop TTP software are Adobe, Sheriff, Quack, Coral, and Microsoft. Moving on to the next question. Classify the following into vector graphics application, bitmap graphics, and layout based application. First one, Photoshop, Corel Draw, InDesign, Microsoft Publisher, and Adobe Illustrator. So classify these applications into vector graphics, bitmap graphics, and layout based application. So Photoshop, it's a bitmap graphic. Corel Draw, vector graphics. InDesign is layout based application. Microsoft Publisher, once again it is layout based application. Adobe Illustrator, it is vector graphics. List any 5 vector illustration application. We have Corel Draw, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Freehand, Sketch, AutoCAD, and Inkscape. So any 5 vector illustration applications. So we can say Corel Draw, Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Freehand, Sketch, AutoCAD, Inkscape. So all these are vector illustration application. List any 5 bitmap image editing application. Adobe Photoshop, MS Paint, Corel Photo Paint, Corel Painter, Capture One. So all these are bitmap image editing application. Photoshop, Paint, Corel Photo Paint, Corel Painter, and Capture One. List any 5 layout applications. Microsoft Publisher, InDesign, Quack Express, Adobe FrameMaker, and PageMaker. Common bitmap formats are. So what are the common bitmap formats? We have GIF, GIF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PSD. So all these are bitmap formats. GIF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF, and PSD. List the fundamental components for publishing are. The fundamental components of publishing are, first one we have printing house, color, style, size, font. Expand the following. So first one we have TTP, DPI, PPI, RGB, CMYK. The answer for this, DTP stands for desktop publishing. DPI, it is dots per inch. PPI, it's pixels per inch. RGB, red, green, blue. CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow and black. Expand the following. ASCII, ASCII, PDL, PCL, CRC, JPEG. So ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. PDL for Page Description Language. PCL, Printer Control Language. CRC, Camera Ready Copy. JPEG, Joint Photographic Experts Group. Next, we have again expand. TIFF, GIF, PNG, PSD, CDR. TIFF, Tagged Image File Format. GIF, Graphics Interchange Format. PNG, Portable Network Graphics. PSD stands for Photoshop Document. CDR, Corel Draw. Next, coming to another set of expansions. SVG, AI, CMX, CGM, DXF, CVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, AI, Adobe Illustrator, CMX, Corel Meta File Exchange, CGM, Computer Graphics Meta File, Drawing Exchange Format. Moving on to the next set of expansions. WMF, EPS, PDF, CRT, LCD. The answer for these, WMF stands for Windows Meta File. EPS for Encapsulated PostScript. PDF, Portable Document Format. CRT, Cathode Ray Tube. And LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. Next expansions, LED, CD, DVD, USB, RAM. LED for light emitting diode. CD, compact disc. DVD, digital versatile disc. USB, universal serial bus, RAM, random access memory. Mention the different types of scanner. So we have flatbed scanner, handheld scanner, scanner, sheet fed scanner, and drum scanner. So the different types of scanner are flatbed scanner, handheld scanner, sheet fed scanner, and drum scanner. Mention the 4 important qualities of printer. So what are the qualities of printer you have to look in? First one, color, resolution, speed, and memory.
That's all for today's session. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and make sure you share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Until then, take care and keep smiling.